Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Have you written the homework what I given last class? Did you know the chapter 4 verbs revision? I told you to try to do the book exercise. I am sure you have done. Keep it your good work. Now I am going to teach English language chapter 4 verbs revision part 2. Chapter 4 verbs revision part 2. Are you ready? All of you take your English language book, page number 22. Okay, then rearrange the letters in the brackets to name the actions these animals can do. Rearrange the letters in the bracket to name the actions these animals can do. See, the caterpillar can crawl. A fish can swim. A rabbit can hop. Rearrange the action word, this word, then you write down the given space. Understand all of you? The spelling, the bracket, some spelling is there. It is, you have to write here in rearrange and write the same, the correct spelling you have to write here. Correct spelling you have to write here. Okay. Then the caterpillar can crawl, a fish can swim, a rabbit can hop. Then 4. A cat can climb a tree. A cat can climb. You should write here climb. Then 5. A dog can catch a ball. Bracket CCAHT. You rearrange the words, then given space you should write here catch. A dog can catch a ball. Then 6th, a penguin can slide on snow. A penguin can slide on snow. Then 7, a parakeet can talk. 7, a parakeet can talk. You should write here. Okay, given space you should write the answer. Okay, move the next exercise. D. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the board. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the board. It is board, some verbs are there. You should, given space, you should write the answer. Okay. She teaches class second. See the board. She teaches class second. She teaches class second. Then, children love hair. You should write here love, L-O-V-E, love. Children love hair. She goes to school at 8 a.m. and returns at 2 p.m. Goes and returns. You should write here. She goes to school at 8 a.m. and returns at 2 p.m. She has lunch and then reads the newspaper. She has lunch and then reads the newspaper. She reads for some time. Then she goes to the park. She rests. She reads for some time. Then she goes to the park. You should write here rests. Okay. She meets her friends in the park. She meets her friends in the park. All of you take page number 24. It is revision. Okay, already I had taught this lesson, but now I am going to take the revision. Okay, listen all of you. We add ing to words when we talk about an action that is going on. Example, Anita is reading, Mohan is drinking water. Add ing form to these words. Add ing form. Ing form, you have to use ing form. Okay. What we talk about an action that is going on. See, eat, eating, sing, singing, push, pushing, jump, jumping, pull, pulling, dream, dreaming, go, going, climb, climbing, sleep, sleeping, crawl, crawling. Okay, add ing to these words. Understand? Then next, let us move the next exercise. For most action words which end in an e, we drop the e to add ing. Example, take plus ing, taking. You have to cut e, then add ing. Okay, some words we can use, suppose take, T-A-K-E, take spelling, but taking, how to write? T-A-K-I-N-G, taking. Okay, you should cut the e, then you write T-A-K-I-N-G, taking. Okay, then drop the last letter and add ing to these words. See, write, writing, bite, biting, bake, baking, dance, dancing, give, giving, shake, shaking, move, moving, smile, smiling, ride, riding, wave, waving. Understand all of you? See, the last letter, it is E. You should cut the E, then you add ing form also. Add ing, then you write the given space. Okay. Then see, in certain words, we double the last letter of word when we add ing. Example, joking. The double letter is coming in the last letter. Last word, the double letter is coming. Then you should write here ing also. See, take page number 25. Double the last letter and add ing to these words. See, run, running. See, R-U-N, run. You should write one more N, then ing also. Skip, skipping. Sit, sitting. Dig, digging. Bat, batting. Hit, hitting. Stop, stopping. Climb, clap, clapping. Shop, shopping. Sip, sipping. Okay, you should write the last letter, write one more time, then add ing also. Then see the example. Okay, see, add ing to the verbs in the bracket and fill in the blanks. Add ing to the verbs in the brackets and fill in the blanks. Same only. See, 1. Alia is reading a book. Bracket it is read. You should write here reading. Rajan is playing with a ball. Bracket it is play. Then 3. A cat is sitting under the table. Bracket it is sit. You should write here sitting, ing, add ing form. That's why you should write here ing. Okay. Then 4. What is Mr. Joes doing? Bracket it is do. She is looking at the bookshelf. Looking, bracket look, but you have to write here looking. Then 5. Mummy is giving a book to Jessie. Bracket it is give, but you should write here giving. Understand all of you? Hey, listen all of you. Those who are not written the previous class, when I taught the last class, those who are not written, now you have to write the English language book. You have to write the answers what I taught today. Understand all of you? Thank you. Have a nice day.